Bird Inbox unifies all your customer communications in one powerful platform. Whether messages come through email, WhatsApp, SMS, or social media, your team can manage them in a single interface. There are 2 things you need to do to start using Inbox. Step 1. Install channels. Head to the top left-hand corner and click on your company logo and then go to Manage Channels. You'll be taken to the Channels library. Here you can see several channels that are already installed. To install a new channel, select the channel you want. Click Install in the top right-hand corner. Follow the instructions provided. Once your channel is installed, any messages sent by your customers on that channel will appear in Inbox. To add a new agent, we'll go through Inbox. This single process will handle both creating new users and setting up proper Inbox permissions. First, click Inbox in the main navigation. Then go to Preferences in the bottom left. Click on Agents and Teams and go to Agents tab. Click Create New Agent in the top right corner. Enter the agent's name and then email address. You can also assign the agent to a team from here to better specify the agent and fit your needs. Finally, move on to Create on the top right corner. Owners can also set agent availability and teams. In Inbox, go to the Agents tab, find the agent you want to update, and click the 3 dots menu on the right side. Then select Edit User. Here you'll find several options to manage. Personal information, where you can add or update profile pictures, numbers and teams for team assignments, availability to set working hours, and call preferences for handling calls. Agents can also manage their own settings. They just need to click their name at the bottom of the Inbox panel. This opens their profile where they can update their information. This gives both owners and agents the flexibility to manage availability and preferences as needed. Now that you've added agents, you can organize them into teams. Teams can be grouped by location, specialization, or other criteria. For example, you can create teams for billing support, technical support, or sales support. You can add an agent to a team from their profile or by using the Teams section. Teams are helpful for routing and assigning specific tickets.